Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 8. Congratulations, we are officially more than halfway through the semester, so hang in there because we're kind of almost done. This week, some of the materials repeat from last week, but also there's a little bit of extra information under the readings and the videos because since we're more than halfway through the semester, the quiz this week is a little bit of a review of everything we've done. So there's a video and there's a PowerPoint that go over some of the points that a lot of people had trouble with the first few weeks. So make sure you reach out to me if there's any topic that you really didn't get, like any of the verbs that you really still don't understand how to conjugate, or any topic overall that you're really stuck on. Just reach out to me before you take the quiz or go over those review materials because again, the quiz is longer and it has kind of all topics that we've covered so far. It's not worth anymore, so don't panic. It's not like a midterm, but it just has a little bit more. We also have the cultural readings because there is a discussion board this week. So for the discussion board, it's two parts. You're going to comment on the articles and also about your field specific project. So the quiz, like I said, a little bit longer with covering all the things that we've kind of done so far. And then our big thing for this week, the field specific project. Hopefully by now you have yours kind of set up, you know who you're going to interview or you've already done your interview. Make sure you really review all the requirements for the project and please reach out to me as soon as possible if you have any questions. Like we don't want to wait till the last minute because this is one of the bigger projects. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Buena suerte. Nos vemos pronto.